Morning sun begins to rise, golden colors fill the sky. Open roads along the sea, every mile belongs to me. Wind is dancing through my hair, salt and sunlight everywhere. Nothing waiting up ahead, only dreams already spread. Take my hand, don't look back, leave the world off the track. Cabrioletta under Monaco skies, every turn reminds me freedom never lies. Cabrioletta, ocean by my side, every road is calling, come along for the ride. Mountain shadows drift away, morning slowly finds the day. Every corner feels brand new, every dream is coming true. Nothing here is standing still, every heartbeat fits the hill. Windows open to the blue, every mile begins with you. Let the sunshine lead us, let the skyline shine. Leave the clocks behind us, everything's alright. Every winding coastline feels like coming home. Every little moment made to be our own. Cabrioletta